In this guide, we're going over how you can go ahead and get mods or cheats here in Slay the Spire 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now with Slay the Spire 2 just launching, it currently does not have a Steam workshop and does not have workshop support yet. So mods actually have to be installed manually using something like a Unity mod launcher. Now there's a few different ones that you could go ahead and get. For example, if you just open up like Google Chrome, for example, you could go ahead and get yourself BepInX Unity, just like so. You could just search for it, go to the GitHub link, just like so. This is going to be commonly used for any Unity game, and you could find the release on GitHub and install it through here. Or what you could also do is search for WeMod and do the exact same thing, since WeMod also has support for Slay the Spire 2. As you load up WeMod, for example, which once again you can get through Google, you will find your games in here. Open that up and you're going to see all these different mod support options on here, like unlimited HP, shields, energy, stars, reward potions, and so much more. Essentially, all you have to do is make sure that you're closed out of the game itself, and then simply go ahead and launch play directly through WeMod and you'll be good to go. Now I will say I do not use this in multiplayer. Obviously, co-op multiplayer is still you versus, an enemy, so it's like a PvE style. You're not going against other people. However, just in case that you could get banned, it's always worth making sure that you are using this in solo play only. Also keep in mind that using mods can disable achievements, and if you ever want to return to the base game, you could simply verify the game files in Steam to restore the original setup. But that is how you can actually get and use mods here in Slay the Spire 2. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.